What is up, my NFT fans? So KuCoin has announced it's launching a whopping $100 million fund for people creating NFTs on the platform. So what is it that KuCoin has said? Well, the Singapore-based cryptocurrency trading platform KuCoin announced on Tuesday the launch of a $100 million creator fund. The fund completes the newly launched KuCoin Windvane NFT marketplace. KuCoin said that Windvane offers creators access to a heavy exchange traffic and the support of the community for building its NFT offerings. Launched in 2017, the KuCoin exchange reached 10 million registered users at the end of last year and is currently trading a whopping 2.2 billion in daily volume, according to CoinGecko data. So this is massive news for people wanting to get that extra bump into the NFT world, especially now NFTs are retracing. So the KuCoin Creators Fund is a joint venture between Windvane and the exchange's venture capital arm, KuCoin Ventures. NFT verticals of interest include art, sports, profile pictures, PFPs, Asian culture, celebrities and GameFi, according to a press release that came out. The fund will also invite 99 NFT creators to join the Windvane marketplace, which offers standard features like minting, trading and storage. Windvane sports the most popular NFT blockchains include Ethereum, BSC and Flow. So this is massive news. So go over to KuCoin, have a look at this and get ready if you're looking to get into NFT space for this big massive push. But as always, do your own bloody research.